everyone, my name is Rizu Sharma. I have been associated with DBRTS since November 2022. It's been amazing journey so far. The strength of DBRTS is always encouraging the female employees to be on the front floor. As you have already seen about the COD, Narendra Modi is being covered with our train attendants and train operators on the newspaper. That's a great moment for me and for entire organization. It's been privileged to be associated with India's first project of NCRTC along with the DBRTS operation and maintenance part. So for all the women right here, I have a message for you. Do not follow the crowd. Let the crowd follow you. Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there.
Hello everyone, my name is Resham. I am working as a crew controller with DB RRTS. I feel amazing to be working with the prestigious RRTS project. My job includes rostering for the train operator. This is a very critical profile and I am the one who ensures the availability of the train operators. I come from Ghaziabad and it's indeed a blessing for me that I am working with the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS project from my city only. My parents are really proud of me. On the occasion of International Women's Day, I would like to convey this message to all the women that they can do anything that they decide upon. Many thanks. Here's wishing you all a happy International Women's Day.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ऋषिता बर्नवाल है। मैं नमो भारत में ट्रेन ऑपरेटर हूँ। मैंने DBRTS जुलाई 2022 में ज्वाइन किया है और मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील होता है नमो भारत ड्राइव करके और बहुत प्राउड फील होता है कि मैं इतने सारे पैसेंजर को सेफली और कंफर्टेबली उनके डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुँचाती हूँ। मैं गाजीपुर से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैंने डिप्लोमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग से किया है और मेरे पापा मेरे रोल मॉडल हैं क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं और उन्होंने मुझे फ्रीली छोड़ा है ताकि मैं अपने जो भी मैं काम करती हूँ उन्होंने कभी रोका टोका नहीं है। इसके वजह से मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ जो कि नमो भारत ड्राइव करती हूँ और मेरे फैमिली के साथ साथ मेरे जो नेबर्स वगैरह हैं उन्हें भी बहुत प्राउड फील होता है मेरे ऊपर। आज वुमेन्स डे पे मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारे पास एक ही जीवन है तो हम अपना जितना भी बेस्ट कर सके उतना हमें अपना बेस्ट करना होगा। सो थैंक यू।
चंद्रनिभा सिंह है। मैं RRTS नमो भारत प्रोजेक्ट में ट्रेन ऑपरेटर हूँ। मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड फील होता है कि मैं इस नमो भारत ट्रेन में ट्रेन ऑपरेटर हूँ और मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि जिस प्रकार से मैं इस ट्रेन को ड्राइव कर रही हूँ और मतलब बहुत अच्छा फील होता है। तो मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि मतलब देश में कोई भी लड़की है वो सारा काम कर सकती है, कुछ भी कर सकती है उसको जो करता है। जिस प्रकार मुझे प्राउड फील हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि मैं ट्रेन ड्राइव कर रही हूँ उसी तरह मैं चाहती हूँ कि दुनिया में जितनी भी लड़कियाँ हैं वो अपने आप को किसी से कम ना समझे। वो ये ना समझे कि लड़के सारा काम कर सकते हैं, लड़कियाँ भी बहुत कुछ कर सकती है। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जितनी भी लड़कियाँ उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है लाइफ में। बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी। हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Srivastava. I am Access Care Officer in DBRTS and I just wanted to share my experience with you all. As a woman, I face lots of challenges in my day-to-day life but I love to talk and love to interact the biggest lots of challenges as a customer facing executive, so I love to interact the person. So day by day I am moving and that things motivates me a lot and hope you are also doing the same thing. And as a person, if I am doing these things, so you can also do the same thing. So I'm just motivating you all that you can do whatever you want to do in your life. So thank you so much and happy Women's Day.
Hey, hello everyone. My name is Yashri Bhatnagar and I joined DBRTS in January. And I was born and brought up in Saharanpur. If I'll talk about my overall experience in DBRTS, although it is a very short period of time because I'll join in January only, but overall the organization is very good. If you really if you are looking for a growth, then I can say DBRTS is a platform where you can learn different domains because it is the first project in India where you can learn about the operation and maintenance of the rail department. So overall my experience is very nice, very good, and if I'll talk about my team, I am the only female member in my team. All the other members are male only, but I never feel any kind of discrimination between male and female in my team. Everyone should be treated equally. So this is the environment which DBRRTS is providing, and this is not very much common in all the organization, because in corporate we can see a kind of discrimination now times also, but DBRRTS have never create this kind of environment
for the employees.
all the colleagues, all the management are very helpful, very kind. In last, I can only say that DBRRTS is a very good platform, and I am glad that I am
Of DBRRTS, and in honor of Women's Day, I can only say that believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything. Dream high and try to achieve that dreams, and for that you should work hard.
in last, I'll wish all of you a very happy International Women's Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Daisy Madan. I am working with DBRTS Operation India Private Limited since 2022 in September. We have started this company in July 2022, and accordingly we are also first few employees starting early in September 2022, and we are the first COD stage 1 when this starts for the public operations, and we are witnessing this COD also, and we are very happy to serve this service for the public of Meerut peoples and UP peoples, so that they can easily convey it and transport between the Delhi to Meerut. Still, but first stage only started from Saibabad depot to Duhai depot. Now maybe hope so, we are finger crossed. Now second stage is also coming from almost 6th of March, and then we can maybe Meerut up to Meerut South, and Meerut South peoples also connected to up to Saibabad. So this is a good news for everyone, and we are very happy with working in DB. And earlier I have worked with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation for more than 15 years. So I have a long experience in here. This my company payroll, it's completely different, because earlier I am on other roles also, and it's the same executive assistant here, and reporting to CEO, it's a very big opportunity for me to work on a certain higher position, and it gives me some good platform for future also. And now we are coming to women's empowerment. Today's era is very interesting for this, so I suggest everyone to work as a woman. Nobody has to back out anytime. Wish you all the best, all women, and on the occasion of International Women's Day, happy Women's Day to everyone.
Hello, Namaste. I am Priyanka Bhattacharya, agent in DBRRTS. I am taking care of LTE system. LTE is nothing but it is a communication technology in which we are using in signaling part. As we all know, women who are immature may have to fulfill job responsibilities while managing home and family. The life of the woman is very hard. There are a lot of women who are extremely talented and multitasker. In India, Indian culture gives women the utmost respect. Many of our gods are female, and they have been worshipped as a deity by many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is like Lakshmi, the goddess of power and strength is Durga, and the goddess of wisdom is Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Women play an important role in society, and even in whole family is dependent on women for its daily needs, yeah, we can say that daily activities. Women play a role like mother, wife, homemaker, teacher, cook, friends, nurse, all the time while catering to everybody's needs. So मैं थोड़ा आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी एक छोटी सी कविता के माध्यम से। दर्द भुलाकर मुस्कुराती हैं वह नारी है जो घर बनाती है, हर पल करती है सबके जीवन को रोशन, वह शक्ति है वह नारी है। Happy International Women's Day.
Hey everyone, my name is Shrishti Jain. Currently, I am associated with this organization for around 1.6 years. Currently, I am heading recruitment over here. Recently, we are in process of initiating the special able people. If I talk about the diversity, so we are more than 20% of women who are associated with this organization. And if I talk about my family, so I am married and I have maintained my personal and professional life very well. So I want to give a message to all the women so that don't only involve yourself to the household works. Also, please explore yourself. So just want to say Happy Women's Day. Thank you.